I would like to say thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much to my fans, my family, the colleagues, the management, everyone for the support, and love that you've shown me for the past 12 years. It's been a wonderful journey. Yeah, ever since 2012. So I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, family. Kwanas, ini nakumira panapa. This is my last day on radio. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you. I know I've disappointed a lot of people by resigning. So I've resigned officially. I have resigned. That's the thing. I have resigned today, the 13th of November. Like I said, I'll release a press statement so that you understand why I've resigned, and also what other plans I have for you. So, and trust me, we're going to give you more. We are going to do, lots of stuff for you. Guys. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that tomorrow there's no on the spot. I can't believe it. I can't believe this. I can't. Tomorrow, heads off, guys. Thank you so much for the support.